Hello. Welcome back to our playlist series on product strategy and business development with content from Hooked, How to Build Habit-Forming Products by Nir Eyal. In our previous segment, we dove into the trigger phase and explored the art of creating external triggers that propel us toward action. We also emphasized the significance of identifying the internal triggers within our clients, as this is the first key to creating habit formation. Today, we shift our attention to the second step of the Hooked model, the action phase. The action phase encompasses the most simple behavior performed in anticipation of a reward. It involves the user's instinctive action to alleviate the psychological from their internal trigger. Think about pressing the Disney or Netflix button on your remote control. How effortless is that? Or conducting a quick search on Google, extremely simple. Even scrolling through your Facebook or other social media feeds. These are incredibly straightforward actions, driven by the immediate expected reward. The ultimate objective of a habit-forming product or service is to minimize friction as much as possible during the action phase. During this phase, our focus is on identifying strategies to reduce the effort required for the desired behavior. One key concept to consider is micro-commitments. By breaking down the desired behavior into smaller, manageable steps, you make it easier for users to take action. Let's take the example of a fitness app. Instead of asking users to complete an entire workout routine right away, the app could start by encouraging them to perform a single exercise or stretch. This small action requires minimal effort, making it more likely for users to engage and continue to the next step. Over time, these micro-commitments build momentum and increase the likelihood of users adopting the desired habit. Another effective strategy during the action phase is providing clear instructions and guidance. Users need to know exactly what to do and how to do it. By offering intuitive user interfaces, informative tooltips, or step-by-step tutorials, you remove any guesswork or confusion, thereby reducing friction and making the desired behavior more accessible. Furthermore, incorporating elements of personalization can significantly enhance the action phase. Tailoring the experience to individual preferences and needs creates a sense of relevance and increases user motivation. For instance, a music streaming service that suggests personalized playlists based on the user's listening history and preferences makes it effortless to discover and enjoy new music. Remember, the more seamless and effortless you can make the action phase, the more likely users are to repeat the behavior and form a habit. To summarize, the action phase involves simplifying the desired behavior by implementing strategies such as micro-commitments, clear instructions, and personalization. By reducing friction and making it easier for users to take action, habit formation becomes more likely. In our next segment, we will explore the third step of the Hooked model, the variable reward phase. Stay tuned for valuable insights on how to create habits with your users and coming back for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode of Hooked, How to Build Habit-Forming Products. Remember, if you find our content valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.